Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and it's taken months to make, but I'm going to show you how I transformed this thrift store quilt rack. I don't go to the thrift store that often, but I have been looking for a couple of months for something, and I finally found it. I'm so excited. So, what did I get? Ta-da! It is a quilt rack. And it's a little wobbly, so I'm going to have to fix it up a little bit. I'm also probably going to paint it and clean it up a little bit. It was only $3.99. Yes, I'm serious, $4. I have been looking, like I said, for a couple of months, and they've been between $20 and $50 or $60 every time I found one. So I was super stoked to find this. And here's the thing. I teach multimedia. I teach technology to middle schoolers, and the kids wear headsets over their ears, and they have microphones and everything, and they're constantly getting tangled up with the wires, and there's not a good way to store them. That's where this comes in. So after I fix it up, I'm going to take it up to school, and they're going to be able to hang their headsets over the racks. So as it turns out, it seems like this isn't actually a quilt rack. It has these notches in it, so maybe it was some kind of storage container. There was also a Spider-Man sticker, which makes me think that it was a kid's product. So I think baskets fit here, but that's okay. It's still gonna work for what I want it for. So I've given it a light sanding, I've wiped it off, and now I'm going to prime. You're not supposed to rub in things that smell funny, like yellow paint. Sit. You too. This project has kind of been on the back burner for a couple of months. But I've started painting it again, and I'm painting different things in every spot, as you can see here. Just painting this in my basement, and I'm not done yet. I'm using a variety of acrylic paints and my paint markers. They're working well for the details, and using regular brushes and sponge brushes, and just having fun putting some fun designs on this. Here is the finished product. It is so much fun. Every section is painted something slightly different. It took quite a while, but it was really fun. The music notes and the film strips and the film projector helped tie in with the whole multimedia theme. And here it is with the headsets, waiting for the students to get here later this week, and they'll be able to pick a pair of headphones, take it off the rack, use them at their seats, and then put them back. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, comment, and subscribe. And in your comments, let me know if you ever took a class like this in school. Thanks, and have a great day crafting away.